When you need to create a project in Workamajig, it's very easy to do, especially if you're already in your Today page for project management. All you need to do is select the plus sign and select Project. It's going to ask me for a few bits of information to get started. And I'm going to tell the system what client are we creating this project for and what we're going to call it. And we're going to create a website project today, so we're just going to call it the best website ever. Now, of course, if I'm doing the best website ever, I need to have a template for that. And so when I select my template, all I have to do is hit save. And with that, a full project setup is created, a unique project number identifier is automatically assigned, and there's a variety of formulas that you can choose from in Workamajig for that automation. And because of my template selection, I have a schedule ready and waiting for me to make any adjustments based on what's unique to this project to get started.